Hey, my name's leading chef Jools Andrews from HMS Queen Elizabeth, and today I'm going to show you how we make Christmas stuffing balls in the Navy. So here we've got some skinned sausages, we have some chopped walnuts and pine nuts, some chopped cranberries, some dry or fresh breadcrumbs, it doesn't matter, 1 egg, the zest of 1 orange, and 100 grams of honey. We're going to cut the sausages into a mixing bowl. Then we're going to add our chopped cranberries, our breadcrumbs. We've beaten the egg so it's nice and combined and it helps to sit the stuffing balls together. Next up we're going to zest our orange. Now a good generous squeeze of honey. Of course, not forgetting a nice pinch of salt and pepper. I find using my hands for jobs like this a little bit better because you can really feel the ingredients and get to the bottom of the bowl, make sure it's all well combined. Machines quite often leave lumps of stuff at the bottom. Now it's time to roll them into balls. And again, you can make this real personal, depending on how big you like them, or how small you like them. Just bear in mind, the bigger they are, the longer they'll take to cook. Okay, so now we're going to cut them in breadcrumbs. First step, roll them in a bit of seasoned flour. This protects the meat from the heat of the oven. Make sure you pat off all the excess. Then into some beaten egg. This helps the breadcrumbs stick to the ball. And lastly, into the breadcrumbs. Give them a good coating to go nice and crispy. So these are going to go in at 180 degrees for around 30 minutes. Nice. These will make a perfect addition to any Christmas dinner. Let's get these to the lads. I'm leading chef Jools Andrews on HMS Queen Elizabeth. Merry Christmas.